Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the puzzle page. The puzzle page of the weekend edition, Saturday, April the 13th, 2024. We have here 6 extra puzzles, and those puzzles are Sudoku with 3 stars, another Sudoku with 3 stars, the Killer Sudoku, 2 binary puzzles, both with 3 stars, and the last puzzle is a jigsaw Sudoku, aka tectonic. 6 extra puzzles, 4 of them I will solve this evening. Not all, too much for me. And tomorrow on Sunday, we have an additional. In this weekend edition, we have an additional 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve, and in the evening, I will do the Samurai Sudoku. But first, let me start with this one. The 3 stars Sudoku. 3 stars Sudoku number 8356. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, I believe that this one has 27. Let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, 27 printed digits. It's indicated with 3 stars. Wow. Usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25 printed digits. This one has 27. Should be a 1 star. For 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Well, this one is indicated with 3 stars. For a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Question is this a 3 stars or a 1 star puzzle? We don't know. We'll see. So let's get started. Let me see. Which number can I pick? How about how about the number 4? How about the number 6, 8, 8? Needed 2 here. Well. This one not easy. 9. One in the last column, 1 in that column. So the column 3, now only 2 places left. 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the second row, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in the first row, 1 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left. 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in the third column, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in the first column, 1 in the third column. So the column 3 in the second column, the only 2 places left. 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left. 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. And all the ones are used. I can't see. Digit number 1. Alright, and now 4. 4. Okay. Let me see which number. 4 in the third column. 4 in the third row. 4 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left. The 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4. Well, cannot continue with the 4 now. Need to wait. 8 in the first row, 8 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left. 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left. 8 should be there. Then, yeah. Then need a 7 here. Need a 7 there. How about 3, 4, 9. 1, 2. Need 2 there. Come on, come on. This is taking too long. 3, 6. 6, 6. Need a 6 there. Need a 6 here. Need a 6 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 in these 3 boxes. 6 in the third column, no 6 in those 2 boxes. So the 6 in this big square could be here, could be there. 6 in one of those 2 boxes in the first column. 6 in the third column, so the column between the second column, no, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. And need a 6 there. Okay. Need a 6 there. Alright. No. The 5 there. 5, 9, 7. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the second column, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left, and 7 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 9 and 5, 9 and 5. So 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers, the 1. 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. 2 and 8. 7 here. Come on. 7. Need 7 here. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the first row, no 7 in these 2 boxes. We have 7 in this column, no 7 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square. Should be there. 7. 7. Okay, 7. Well. I need a 4 here. 8. 8. Come on. Need a 5 here. Need a 2 here. 8, 7. Come on. How about the 6, 6, 6. No 5 here, 5, 5. I'm thinking. 8, 8. 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. 8, 8, 8, 8. 8, 8. Well, I'm stuck here. Need a 3 here. And I need maybe 2. Need 2 there. Come on. Only 1 9 here. 9, 9. We need a 9 there. 9, 9. So, need 9 here. Let me put some numbers. This is taking too long. 7, 6, 9. 7 in this row, 7 in the second row, so in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 7. Could be here, could be there. 7 in the last row, 7 in the row above, so in that row, the only 2 places left for the 7. Could be here, could be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the last column, so the column between only 3 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the last one, no 4 there, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Come on. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places left for the 2, could be here, could be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only 2 places left for the 6, could be here, could be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 7, could be here, could be there. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, need a 9, 9. Well, 9, 5, need a 5. Need a 3 here. 1, 2, 3. Need a 6 here. Need a 9 here. 6 and a 9. Come on. 5 in this row, 5 in the last row, so the row between. Only 2 places left for the 5. Could be here, could be there. Could be also 5 there. 7 in this column, 7 in the second column, so the third column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. Mark those 2 boxes, elevate 7. We have a 7 in the middle row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. Need a 7 here. Okay, so 3 missing numbers. 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3, 4, 9. 3, 4, 9, 3, 4, 9, 3, 4, 9. And here can be a 9 and a 4. So 1 digit left. Should be the 3 then. So the 9 and the 4 are left. We have a 4 in the first row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 9 in this column, 9 in the column. So the column next, only 2 places left for the 9. Could be here, could be there. And 1 number left in this big square for the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 3 and the 9, 3 in the 9. So we have 3 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. So no 3 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square. Should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and 6. We have 6 in the second row. No 6 there. 6 should be here and the 5 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes, elevate the 6. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 1, 2. Yeah, I need a 4 here. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places left, the 4 should be here. Or there, we have 4 in the middle column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. I've eliminated here the 2, so the 2 goes there. So 1 box left in this big square for the mile. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. Alright. 6 in the third row, 6 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 9 and a 5, we have a 9 now in the first row. No 9 there. 9 should be here and the 5 goes there. Then need the 2 and the 3 here. 2 numbers left in the second row, 4 numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Let me mark those. The other pair in this big square are numbers. The 1, the 2 and 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, the 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and 9. Let me mark those. Then, let me see. Need a 3 here, need a 4 there. Well, I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with 4. We have a 4 now in this row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. And I've eliminated here the 7, so the 7 goes there. 7 and 9, we have 7 now in the last column. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in the last column, so the column 3, no, only 2 places left. The 7 should be here. Or there, we have 7 in the second row. No 7 there. 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 7. Need a 3 here. Right. 6. 6 in this column. 6 in the column next, on last column. Only place left 6 should be there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 6. We have a 6 now in this row. So no 6 there. 6 should be here. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 6. Need a 3 here. Alright, 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4, 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 2, 8, 3, okay. 3 and a 9, we have 9 now in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number in this big square is number 3. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 8, okay. Here 2 numbers left in this row, 4 numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and 9. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. The other pair in this big square are the numbers 1, the 2. 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Alright, 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So in the row above, only 2 places left, the 3 should be here. Or there, we have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 2 and 3, we have 3 in the last column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Here 2 numbers left in this column, the 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 2 now in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 9 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 9. 9, no, wait. 1 box left in this column for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 and 8, we have 8 now in this row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 2. 1 box left in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. Yeah, 5. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing, 9 is missing, 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have a 9 in the middle row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Well, we solve it again, not faster than 15 minutes. Well, is this a 3 stars? No, let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 50 minutes, so it's 2 stars. I'm faster than 20 minutes. So we solve it again, and I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the second puzzle, the killer Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.